So a little bit ago, we did a podcast with Sherry Rajani, the CEO of Code Creators. And you may have noticed that this guy is completely dialed in when it comes to contact center data, CX data, how to combine it with financial data. He's all over it. And maybe you saw a glimpse of it from the podcast, but he's one of my very closest Solution Alliance partners. He's probably one of the nicest people, best people that you'll ever meet in your life. His intentions and his team are totally on it. Their communication hygiene is exactly where you need it, where you want it. They deliver, and what more do you want, right? Like, that's what you want when you team up with people. And that's why we've teamed up so many times to help clients unpack, build customer 360s, and understand their engagement data more than ever. I think you should go back and have a look at that podcast. Look at him through those eyes. Those are the eyes that I look at him through, and you'll see an absolute stellar person that can bring so much value. So I just wanted to follow with it. Folks, listen, it's all about relationships. It's about working together. It's about synergy. And if you want to be successful, let's go get it.